What's up, guys? Malachi here. Today I'll be playing Lion Run. So let's get started.
Excuse me? You just looked at me aggressively. That is
No adverts! I do not want a copyright!
Looking at the air.
We cannot have adverts because I do not want copyright. Go, by the way. This is Subway Surfers with a lion in it. Jake has turned. Oh no! All the characters have turned into lions. I'm Jake, and he's turned into a lion. He doesn't want to be. And this is also inspired by other a bit like Temple Run, Talking Tom Gold Run, and including Indian Rush, including subscribe if you want. Oh, thank God. Soon I'll do Talking Tom. Soon I'll do Minion Rush, and soon I'll do Sonic. It's okay if I do Sonic. Yeah, it's coming daily coming. It will come very soon. Oh, I died. Subway Lions. Just Subway Surfers, but with lions in it. I could do these people wreck? Yeah, I played this game. Soon I'll do more other games. Oh, I died. Bye guys, see you in the next video.